Welcome back. Happy Sunday. Hopefully I actually edit this video and post it today. My hair has been in this bun for 4 days and it hasn't been moisturized or anything like that. I decided I'm gonna come on here and show you guys how I do my high puff. I don't feel like washing my hair and quite frankly it's not dirty to me, so I'm just gonna continue rocking it until I feel like washing it because your girl is lazy. All those persons who found the time to actually be doing that don't rush TikTok challenge, can't relate. I still work from home and honestly, like after I finish work I don't feel like doing anything and I'm beating myself up because I have the extra time at home, so I should be filming. So yes, my hair is a catastrophe. You guys don't even want to see the kitchen. Don't judge me. My hair has been in a 4-day-old Bantu knot out. I tried a Bantu knot out with the silver hair paint wax. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I did a video previously, I'll link it in the card section, where I tried the pink hair paint wax. I don't know if you guys can tell, I tried the silver and really and truly it just makes my hair look dusty. Like there's no like nice style to it or anything like that. It kind of look like a midnight blue or something. As I said, my hair has been in a really old Bantu knot and I'm just gonna put it up in a puff because I am not ready to wash and style my hair anytime soon. I just don't feel it. So I figured just like massage my scalp with a little bit of oil. Guys, I was going through some footage to see if I could probably edit some old videos, and when I see my hair from last year April to now, I'm just like baffled because the whole time sis, I was saying my hair was not growing. I'm just actually seeing the fruit of my labor. And I compared it to a video from last year with me doing like a twist out that I did not edit obviously. My hair grew a whole lot, let me tell you. So obviously as my moisturizer I'm going to use some aloe vera juice. My hair is a little bit dry, so I will be spritzing all over my hair. The thing I like about this bottle, it sprays like a mist so my hair doesn't get extremely wet, and then I'm gonna just quickly seal in that moisture with my DIY shea butter cream. I'm just gonna go ahead and tease my hair up where I would like it. Once I spritz it, obviously some parts of my hair are going to revert. I'm just going to just squeeze what I sprayed in my hair, and I'm gonna take my shea butter, put that mainly on the ends of my hair, like in the make my hair dry. I'm gonna take my boar bristle brush and start to brush upwards. Truth be told, I have a whole lot of videos planned. You guys should see my calendar. I just hope I can stay motivated and stick to the filming and uploading schedule. I wanna take advantage of this quarantine and being home for the extra 4 hours that I would in a day. I brushed up what I could. I don't normally use gel, but I wanted to give this gel a try. I bought it to try it with the wash and go when this was like a rave. I bought it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box. I did a wash and go, but I used an eco styler gel to do that wash and go. I'll probably post a picture in that stretched wash and go. It was really nice. Honestly, I enjoyed wearing that wash and go, but Tangled Sis is not my friend. I don't know when I'm going to do another wash and go. So I'll just rub it in my hand like this, and I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my hair. To me, this is a very like soft gel. It's not a hardening gel at all. Let's do a check-in on the kitchen. Yeah! For my hair tie, I'm gonna use like a stocking foot. Like I literally like cut off the ends, and I have this. How I do this, I actually start from the front. I don't tie it, I just cross it over like this, and I hold it taut, and then I just start pushing it up. This I find doesn't have actual breakage on my hair, so I'm gonna hold it like that and just like puff my hair out, and I think that's where I want it to be. So I'm just gonna come again and fold over, and I'm just gonna keep doing that until I ran out. And then when I run out now, I'm just gonna cross it over my hair, do a tie like that, and then just tuck the ends in, and it will stay like that. I have my puff, and at this point I'm just going to fluff it out. I just realized I haven't done a puff in a really long time. Puff is achieved. So I got this last year. It's Arcani Coil Clear Enthroned Edges Long Lasting Edge Control, the Rub Challenge thing, I got intrigued. I bought into it. And I got 2 of them. And so far, I'm loving it. It pretty much lasts me good amount if I put it on properly. And I don't like pack it on. I'm gonna take my little brush here. I'm just going to dab it across my edges. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set my hair. But quick housekeeping, I do have a few videos planned. I plan on doing my updated twist out routine, but it's gonna be my twist out routine because I've never showed you guys my twist out, and I recently started doing twist outs. Typically I go for braid outs when I was shorter, but now I find myself going for twist outs because they go a little bit faster. So I do plan on doing that, and I also want to show you guys a twist out on dry hair versus wet hair, because I feel like it brings different definition, it brings different length obviously. So I want to do that comparison for you guys. If you are interested in seeing those videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here and become a part of the squad. Guys, I don't let this sit for too long. Like literally I feel like 3 minutes is enough. But this is what my puff is looking like. And again, I did use the silver hair paint wax, so if my hair looking dusty, that's why. And subscribe down below, and let's try that again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.